Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I have found something that has been so essential for when we go camping. It's this lantern from SUBOOS. It has a long battery life and comes with rechargeable batteries, and you can actually operate it with just one battery at a time to prolong the life. It has a good amount of light. I love how bright it is in the tent just on this first setting. But it also has different light settings, so you don't have to have it super bright. And I really liked the red light setting because we could still have that on in the tent and read or play cards without it just blinding us. I also like that it has its own charging capabilities, kind of like a little power bank, so that if you need to get some juice in your phone or maybe charge your sleep buds, it did have enough to give me about 50% charge when it was fully charged with both batteries. So it'll give you enough juice to get you to a plug-in or something else as a stopgap. I love the sleek design and that it has a carabiner so you can attach it to the top of your tent or on your backpack or whatever else it is that you need to clip onto. We used this lantern really extensively on our last week-long camping trip, and the battery lasted the whole time, which made me very happy. We really like it, and that's our point of view.